monetized. Ayan. Massive congratulations to you, Sishie Boom. Finally! You are now a certified YouTuber. Finally, you got monetized. Ayan. Like we said before, lahat ng the bar, mamomoni, walang maiiwan. And slowly, na-reach na natin ang ating goal that everybody will be monetized. Ayan, masaya ako at na-monetize ka na. Your hard work has already paid off. Ayan. Now you can finally say you're a certified YouTuber. Aba, teka. Meron ng palipad. May pa-chat. Aba, teka. Ayan, Sishie, congratulations to you. More power to your channel. Thank you for your support. And of course, I'll try my best to support you back. Alam mo naman na balik na tayo ng trabaho, but I will always be there for you. I love you!
Morning! Good morning, Sheila. Boom, 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 boom! Oh my God! You're a monetized channel now, girl. So I received a message that somebody is a monetized channel now, which is our Sheila. Boom, 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 boom! Congratulations! Finally, diba? Good luck on your channel. Next we target is your revenue, huh? Okay? I'm sorry, I'm gonna say goodbye and I'm gonna do a very quick one because the sun shining on my face. It's not nice. Congratulations! You know, we always here for you and the bar always support you whenever. And happy monetization. Enjoy and embrace it. Bye-bye! Bye, guys!
Boom, Sishie, congratulations! Monetize ka na rin, finally! O, diba? Ayan, so happy for you, at least yung mga hard work mo, good morning! Ano ba yun? Nagbunga na. So, ayan, so happy for you, papasok na. Congratulations and all the best luck!
Congratulations, Sheila. Boom, boom, boom! Medyo na-late ang aking bati, pero masasaan ba't makakarating din? LB sila. Ayan, sobrang lamig na and muulan. Congrats sa iyong channel, sis. Sheila Boom Boom Boom. Congrats, love you.
Hi, sis Sheila. Happy birthday. Oh no, it's not happy birthday. Happy monetization. Pasensya ka na, ito yung napili kong gamitin. Ang ganda kasi. Kaya advance happy birthday na din.
Gusto ko lang pong batiin ang ating kaibigan na si Boom ng congratulations kasi isa na siyang monetized channel. Yan, bongga, diba? Ayan, congratulations, Sishie. Thank you so much sa lahat ng support. Andito lang kami para mag-support sa'yo. At saka, wag kang gagaya sa akin na nawala ng pag-asa. Pero at least, diba, babalik ako pag may gana. Charot. Yan, congratulations ulit, Sishie. Ayan. Sana one day magkaroon ka ng bonggang banana, bongacious na banana, para naman ay maraming supporters. At saka, ayan, hindi na ako magtatagal. Basta, congratulations, more power sa YouTube journey mo, at saka more power sa channel mo. Ayan. Congratulations! See ya! Bye-bye! Love you!
Everyone, this is NARRIE Kim. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Ayan, sa video na ito nais nating batiin si Sheila Boom. Siya pa isang monetized channel na. Congratulations sa iyo, Sishie ko. Ikaw ay monetized na. Good luck sa iyong journey dito sa YT1. Bye! Congratulations!
Guys, nais ko lamang batiin si Sheila Boom ng happy monetization. Ayan, congratulations, Sishie. I'm so proud of you at andito lang ako para sumuporta sa iyo, okay? I love you!
Sheila Boom! Congratulations sa monetization ng iyong channel! Ayan, masayang-masaya kami para sa'yo. Proud na proud kami kasi narating mo na, naabot mo na. Pasensya na, hindi na ako nakapagsupply yan. Nag-explain pa, diba? Dito kasi ako sa kusina, nagluluto. Ayan, keep going. I love you at thank you kasi lagi kong nandyan na mag-support sa amin, sa aming mga kasama mo. Sa, alam mo na. Tapos, tandaan mo lagi na, isusupport ka din namin all the way, syempre. Mahal na mahal ka namin, si Sheila Boom.
Hi! Congratulations, Mimi! Hi, everyone! Wanna be here! Another good news na naman sa Team The Bar. We are so happy and proud na finally, monetize na rin
ang channel ni Shallow Boom. Congratulations, Day! Yay! Pa-burger naman dyan! We love you, Day!
Hi, Sisi! Shallow Boom! So, ayan, congratulations, Sisi, dahil ikaw ay isa na rin monetized YouTube channel. Yay! Konting-konti na lang at lahat na ng kabar ay mamamonetize na! So, ayan, deserve mo yan, Sisi. And keep on vlogging lang, Sisi. Nandito lang kami for you. Mama, chup-chup-chup. Congratulations!
Ayun, meron na naman ako nabalita ang monetized channel sa Team Dapper. Ayan, happy for you, Ate Shallow Boom. Ayan, finally, monetized channel ka na. Congratulations, ate. Enjoy vlogging, more power store channel. And keep safe always. Once again, congratulations, Ate Shallow.
What's up, mga kasoy? Ayan, Ate Shallow Boom. Happy monetization, ate. Parang kailan lang Ayun, dagdagan pa ang sipag natin. Alam ko masisipag kayong lahat. Keep nyo lang yan. Sana mag-grow pa yung channel mo. At happy ako, kaming lahat para sa'yo. Happy monetization, ate. Saglit lang to kasi naka-break time lang ako. Pero happy ako para sa inyo na na-monetize. Happy monetization, Ate Shallow Boom!
Hello, Ate Shallow Boom. Finally, congratulations. Ayan, monetized channel ka na. Ayan, sana hindi ka magbago. Pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung nasimulan mo. At andito lang kaming mga taga-kabar na nakasupport lagi sa'yo. Ayan, mahal na mahal ka namin, Ate Shallow Boom. Congratulations. Ayan, bye.
Hi everyone, this is Walshan and I just wanted to greet, by the way, Beshi Shallow Boom for being a monetized channel now. And congratulations, Shallow Boom, you're a monetized channel now. And welcome to the club. And tuloy-tuloy lang pag-upload, Beshi. At baka one day mag-trending tayo. And yun ang ikakayaman natin. Congratulations, Shallow Boom. Love you.
Hey, what's up? This is Fajubar. I would like to congratulate my Beshi Wap na dahil siya monetized na. So, yan. Congratulations, Beshi. Galing-galing. Yan. Keep it up and more vlogs and more LS. Congratulations. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Jojo Abit. I just want to greet congratulations to Shallow Boom. Shallow Boom 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 Boom. Shallow Boom 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 Boom. Congratulations, Shallow Boom, for being monetized channel. Ayan, nagbunga ng iyong paghihirap at pag-aantay. Congrats. Keep growing. And andito lang kaming Team Dabar para suportahan ka. Ayun, keep going lang. More power to your channel. God bless. Ingat lagi.
My warmest congratulations to you, my friend Shallow Boom, on your monetization for the past 4 months. But it is a well-deserved success. I'm so happy for you. You deserve it talaga. So again, congratulations.
Ako nga po pala si Robert, also known as TREVOR LICIOUS. Gusto kong batiin si Ate Shallow Boom dahil sa wakas magbubunga na lahat ng paghihirap, pag-asikaso niya sa YouTube channel niya. Nagkaroon ako dahil nakilala ko siya. And hindi pa to yung ending. Nasa simula pa lang. Nasa simula pa lang ng iyong tagumpay. Congrats.
Ayun, mega shoutout Neming Boom. Congratulations sa pagka-money ng channel mo. And keep up the good work. Ayun. Medyo kagigising ko lang eh. Ciao, peace.
What's up, madlang people yan? And gusto ko lang i-congratulate si Shallow Boom 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 Boom. Ayan, mega shoutout sa'yo. Congratulations dahil monetized channel ka na, Kaku. Ang aking kakulay. Ayan, kakulay ko nga ba talaga? Well, anyways, congratulations sa'yo. And syempre, keep it up pa, more videos. And ingatan lang na wag mapapalo ni Lolo. Congrats!
Shello, finally you are now a monetized channel. So again, congratulations and sobrang happy ako na nakilala kita. So kahit di pa tayo nagkikita, I know that you will be a friend na tatagal hanggang sa dulo walang hanggan. Pero kidding aside, I'm very happy na naging friend kita dito sa YT World, and I hope na kapag okay na ang lahat, makadalaw ako dyan sa Cebu and gagala tayo. Siyempre, itutour mo ako, diba? So, ayun. Again, congratulations sa'yo and more power. I know that there will be more milestones and I love you. Take care. Bye!